Okay guys, welcome to the Chiang Mai Zoo. This is a good sized place, but a little weird how it seems to work, as you have to drive yourself around. Every spot there's a parking lot, I assume. Very confusing trying to buy tickets because everything is a different price. You want to see fish, you this much. You want to see pandas, you pay this much. You want to see ostriches, you come here. So we just got the basic ticket. 200 baht for me, 50 for the wife, and we don't get to see the pandas. There's a river down here. Man-made, I assume. So the animals do look good. Like I say, coming in was very confusing. No service and won't tell you what the options are. Very weird. Hello. There were two zebras fighting before when I first got here. I wanted to go on the bus like that. Didn't even know it was an option. It's a big pen. They're actually eating grass, or most of them are eating grass, so that's good. I don't know what the train track thing, high beam, is up here, what that's for. No idea. It's big, like there's a train. It's got to be a train, yeah? There's a train station up there. There's a train through here. Didn't know that either. Like I say, the information is terrible here. They just keep trying to sell the pandas. Look at the orchids. Beauties, huh? There's the aquarium. It's a different price, 290 baht for me to get in there. I chose not to. But they got a big shark and no parking. This drive yourself around is not a very good idea, I think. Got some dinosaurs. It's pretty cool. There's a water park here. I didn't even know about that. They didn't mention that to me at all. What it is or how to get in there, I had no idea. That guy's got very pink shoes. That's cool. There's the map. Not sure where we're at. We're lost. Okay, this is interesting. Look at the rack on these deer. No idea what kind of deer it is. Decent size. At least the bucks are. Hi. How are you doing? Pretty cool looking. The size of that one. It's in full velvet, I think. Hi. Big eyes. There's a whole pile of them over here. Sleeping. Sleeping in the sun. There's a baby. I don't know what those are up there. Looks a lot like a buffalo, but different color. Interesting. Like I said, there's no signs. Oh, there's a sign right there. You can't get to it. There's a gate right there. What's the point of that? I assume it's a sign. Can't go there anyway. Must be able to feed the deer down here. Look at that. Got it. Brow antlered deer, they're called. But no idea on the other one. This is goats. Couple of billies doing what billies do. I want the lawn for some reason. Oh, this must be the night pen. The door's open. Hi. How you doing? Airplane, yeah? Well, on a plus note, this orangutan has a huge enclosure. Huge. He's hiding right in there. He's just sitting there. Look at that. Looks like Sasquatch. Huh? Doesn't that look like Sasquatch? Took a long time to find him. The other people that were here gave up. Look at that, huh? It could do with a visit to the salon, I think. Oh, they're lucky people. He's gonna go see them. Bye bye. Look at that, huh? Is that a face only a mother could love? You're some cool, dude. How cool is that, huh? Some kind of an orangutan, but the sign is in Latin. Everybody's excited, especially the little kids. That's pretty cool, huh? There's the city. See the big city, that's for sure. A viewpoint at another spot where there's nothing, you know? I've noticed most people are not stopping at the cages like one animal. There's a rhino back there, nobody's stopping. Just one, right? Very limited parking, hard to park. I parked on the road right here this time. So this train, whatever that is, it's not being used, it's overgrown right there. Interesting. Not so much, actually. There's something, big cage here. It's overgrown, don't see anything in there. Don't see any birds or anything. What's the deal, man? They can't charge you all this money for nothing. I hear a flamingo. I did see some nice flamingos right at the gate, or just inside the gate. See the car? Not stopping, right? Everybody's just doing the tour. The best part about this might be all the kids that are watching, huh? It is a very big elephant. That is pretty cool. That is really cool. I wonder what they're giving him. Little boy behind me here, just as excited. Nice big enclosure he's got here, huge actually. Huge, only one in there again. You see this? It looks abandoned. This entire zoo looks abandoned. I saw 2 monkeys, 1 elephant, couple of... The first cage was the best one, the one that had the zebras in it. And antelope. That was the best one. There is very, very little here. Oh, that's... We'll go take a look at that. That's the flamingos. Okay, this is cool. It's nothing spectacular, but there's a lot of them and they look cool. The old pink flamingo. I tell you straight up, I'm not impressed with this place. You know, it's just my opinion, but I put this place on par with the zoo in Ubon Ratchathani, which I did a video on before. It looked abandoned. The only difference between that place and this place, a lot more expensive to get in here and a lot more people. But everybody's doing the same thing. They're driving. Nobody stops. Other than a couple of places, nobody was stopping. You know, it's just cars are just driving by. These 2 cars, they're not stopping. That's cool, huh? Flamingos are really cool. I can't say on the pandas or the aquarium because I didn't pay the extra money to go get in there. Aquarium's $290. I don't know about the pandas. I don't remember. But just trying to figure out what tickets you need to get in was a nightmare. They're getting some new water in there. Not a very impressive spot. This is a tourist trap. Give me money for nothing. That's, you know, it's sad. It really is sad. In my opinion, this is a place to avoid. Of course, it's just my opinion. If you do come, don't do the drive around like I did. There's a tram right there. You see it coming up there? Get on, get off. They take you to each spot, you get off. And when the next one comes by, you know, it's like a bus stop thing. You get on the next one. Although, I've only seen one. You might be here a while. I don't know how good that is. I've done a lot of zoos recently, and I'd say this one is on par with the worst one, Ubon. But Ubon didn't have flamingos. To stand on one leg, that is too cool, huh? Alright guys, well that's it. That is just my opinion. I know my opinion don't mean much. It's your money, it's up to you. If you come here, it's easy to get to, close to the city. But I'd like to have my money back right now, to be honest. That is too cool. Okay, maybe that was worth the price of admission. Got a good one out of it anyway at the end. I saw these when I drove by when we came in. Got something out of it anyway. Got to see a pink flamingo try to fly. Wow, that is cool, huh? That is really cool. Alright guys, as always, thanks for watching. Link to the blog post with more information is in the video description. My opinion is, don't come here. Honestly, save your money. You'd have more fun doing just about anything else.